Dear brother monks and friends, I am very pleased to be part of this inaugural function of the 125th anniversary of the Ramakrishna mission. In Belur Mott, we celebrate every year this day, 1st May, as the foundation day of the Ramakrishna mission. The celebration this year is on a larger scale and more colorful, as today marks an important milestone in the history of our beloved mission. The mission completes 125 years of its service, and we are all fortunate to bear witness to this historic occasion and the mission's onward march. You have heard about the epoch-making meeting Swami Vivekananda called at the house of the great devotee Sri Balaram Basu on 1st May 1897 to establish the Ramakrishna mission. A few weeks before that meeting, Swamiji was in Darjeeling, where he had gone to recoup his health. Though apparently he was taking rest in the cool climate there, his mind was nevertheless thinking about the pitiable condition of the country and the means to help his countrymen by establishing a permanent machinery for the purpose. He told his brother monk Swami Turiyanandaji that he would revolutionize the monastic order and cast it into a new mold. Soon after returning from Darjeeling, he started the Ramakrishna mission, in which all renouncing monks would join hands with noble-minded householders to spread both secular and spiritual knowledge among people and carry out other forms of service. All this in a spirit of worship, seeing God in man. This was a pioneering idea of Swamiji, born out of a right understanding of Sri Ramakrishna's message and Swamiji's deep reflection upon it. Undoubtedly, the inauguration of the mission opened a new chapter in the socio-religious life of India in modern times. It stood as a model of a spiritual institution which is non-sectarian, non-political, and fully committed to promoting the welfare of people. The ideals and working of the mission are deeply rooted in the teachings of Sri Ramakrishna, the incarnation for this age, and eternal Vedanta, the principal philosophy of this country. It is because of these reasons that, despite its humble beginning, the mission has grown today to become a benevolent force to be reckoned within India and also to some extent in the global arena. This is evident from the large number of branches of the mission, its varied service activities reaching out to millions of people, and the enormous goodwill it has earned. Swami Vivekananda wrote in a letter to his Madras disciples, quote, "My whole ambition in life is to set in motion a machinery which will bring noble ideas to the door of everybody, and then let men and women settle their own fate," unquote. The Ramakrishna mission he founded is indeed doing this work following the methods he laid out for this organization. Of course, it is very difficult to fulfill the expectations of a visionary like Swamiji. Still, we may hope that he finds the growth and working of the mission satisfactory to some measure at least. On this occasion, when we are celebrating the 125th anniversary, let us remember with gratitude all those who have helped this mission in the past. Fortified with steadfast devotion to Swamiji, hundreds have toiled hard all their lives to build this organization and take it forward. I also thank our devotees and well-wishers of the present generation who are supporting the mission in various ways. Let us not forget those of our brothers and sisters who will come in the future to put their shoulder to the wheel and take the mission to greater heights. I welcome them wholeheartedly to this noble task. As you have heard, a number of programs and activities have been lined up for commemorating the 125th anniversary of the mission over the next 1 year. I wish all these programs a grand success. I would like to conclude this short speech with the memorable words uttered by Swamiji at the end of the mission's inaugural meeting. After outlining the supreme glory of Sri Ramakrishna and the objectives of the new organization, Swamiji concluded, quote, "We are but the servants of the Master. May you all help in this work," unquote. May Sri Sri Thakur, Sri Sri Ma and Sri Sri Swamiji shower their blessings on all. Thank you. Swami Smaranananda, President. Namaskar.